Here are 3 questions you should ask when requesting a compensation benchmarking study. Do I need to have a compensation resource in order to understand the results? You should not need to have a compensation resource. A good compensation consulting firm will educate you along the way, use layman's terms that are easy to understand, and produce the results that can be understood by ordinary leaders as well as ordinary employees in a context that makes sense to them based on whatever changes you may or may not be rolling out. How do we know that the market data accurately represents our roles? Being involved in the benchmarking process and gathering the market data is really important to understanding the validity of the compensation data that you're going to get from a market study. Having leaders involved in this process is critical to employees trusting the results. Leaders can say, I was part of these conversations and I have confidence that the data we're putting in front of you accurately represents the value that you bring to this position on my team in our department in this organization. How can you help us understand how to make individual pay decisions once we have a salary structure? Once a compensation structure has been established, you enter into a whole separate world of where people should fit within that structure. And you need to define criteria for how to make individual pay decisions afterward. So having a consultant not only help you understand where the structure came from, but also how to use it and how to educate and train other leaders in making consistent pay decisions within the same framework is really important to having successful implementation of a structure as well as maintaining pay equity moving forward.